Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on this video I'm going to show you how you can catch this legendary lake sturgeon in Fish It. So this prehistoric giant is one of the hardest finding freshwater fish. So I got this in a fisherman island, and let me show you the exact locations to get it. So as for the road, I'm using the ghost fin road and also the corab bait to get the fish. And as for the location, you can actually just go fish in the fisherman island, but for me personally, for the location, I got it here. You can just go straight from the dock. So I got the fish under this tree. So I got it by fishing in this exact location. So just try your luck. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.